Hello everyone, welcome to Decorating for the Fall in the Kitchen. I'm going to take you on a little tour and I'll let you know everywhere I purchased it under the description. This way if you're interested in any of the items, you'll be able to go online or to the store to purchase them. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we go. When I set up for dinner, I always do buffet style. I set up here at the bar and also at my back table. Here I have a plate. It says, "A season to be grateful." That was purchased at Michael's, along with the napkins, the blessed, grateful, and thankful. That was all purchased at Michael's. Back here was purchased at Pure One Imports. You could go online and purchase things. They don't have stores anymore, but they do have online. Back here I have a wreath, and I set it up as a centerpiece, and I put the picture on top, and along with lights to accent it. I thought that really turned out beautiful. All that was purchased at Kohls, along with all the glasses. The dinner plates and bowls and salad plate was my mother's, so every time I put them out, it's a great memory of her. But you could buy white dishes anywhere. Okay, we'll go over here. Here I did up my mantle with little pilgrims and a little scarecrow in the middle. Optic Scarecrow that was purchased online. I'm sure if you Google it, you'll be able to find them. And the pilgrims and the scarecrow I had, but the floral and the metallic leaves were purchased at Michael's. And the leaves that I did in the background, they sell them at Michael's as well. Here I have leaves going up, accenting the candlestick with a green spotlight on the back in the background, which really accents it nice. Then over here is where you would start the buffet. Everything here you see it was purchased at Michael's. So I have these where the silverware, you can put all your silverware in, and also the napkins, and then the basket for dinner rolls. Then I would just have everything set up as along here. Both of these were purchased at Kohls. Everything you see here was purchased at Kohls. The little pumpkins and all were purchased at Michael's, along with this ladder. I love this ladder, and I was able to decorate it really nice with leaves at the bottom. Then I have a garland going up the side along with lights, the little pumpkins inside, and you could put anything inside that. You could put fruit, whatever you like. And I think that looks fabulous. Up here, I put a little pumpkin plate to go with the decor as well. Then I got another pumpkin plate up on this end. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got great ideas from it. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed as of yet, then please subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and list all the items under the description as well. This way, if you'd like them, you could go to either the store and purchase them or online. Well, have a happy fall, a great Thanksgiving, and a happy Halloween. Talk to you soon.